जेनेटिक्स करेंगे, जेनेटिक्स का बचा हुआ पार्ट, और ये तीसरा पार्ट है जेनेटिक्स का। चलिए शुरू करते हैं जेनेटिक्स का लाइव सेशन। हिंदू हाय, चलिए जेनेटिक्स पढ़ते हैं। तो हमारा 2 टॉपिक बचा था। टुडे वी विल रीड अबाउट पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस and we consider only. Yes, I am from India. Daniel Sukamara, I am from India. We will read only, I think I should read this only 40 minutes. Okay. So I will read genetics today for 40 minutes. Okay, you like India. That's thank you. Where are you from, Daniel? Daniel Shukrana, where are you from? Hindu Bhatia, why are you sending this type of emojis? Janvi, hello. Rosie Mani Hassan, my name is Kaustubh Chaudhary, as you are seeing in this channel, and all of you please subscribe my channel. I am studying. Okay, let's start my study session. 40 minutes. Okay. So inheritance of characters in which one character is controlled by many genes is known as polygenic inheritance. Inheritance of one character in which inheritance of characters in which one. Hello, you like PE? What is PE? I don't know. Romizaini Hassan. What is polygenic inheritance? Inheritance of characters in which one character is controlled by many genes is known as polygenic inheritance. आशा कुमारी, हेलो 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 आशा कुमारी, आप कहाँ से हो? हाँ हाँ हेलो राजस्थानी डायरम है बोले। সমাপ্তি ম্যাম তো বাঙালি। হ্যাঁ জানিস বাইরে থেকেছে কিন্তু ম্যাম হচ্ছে বাঙালি আসলে। सचिन हेलो भाई कैसे हो सचिन?
मैम मुझे बोलছে আমি বিহারি আই এম নট বেঙ্গলি তুই বলে দিচ্ছিস আমি বেঙ্গলি
মিথ্যে কথা। ম্যাম বাংলা এমনকি ইনস্টাতে রিপ্লাই দেয় অনেককে যা জিজ্ঞেস করে। আর ম্যামের নাম তো সমাপ্তি সিনহা মহাপাত্র।
কি আছে মহাপাত্র বিয়ে হতে পারে।
ম্যাম বাঙালি সিনহা। सचिन कैसे हो? Polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance. Inheritance of one gene, one character which is controlled by many genes. ठीक है? Intensity of characters depends upon the number of dominant allele. Dominant alleles are contributory in nature. Example, kernel color of wheat, 2 genes ratio 1:4:6:4:1. Okay, समझ में आया क्या?
पूरा तो देख लूं बनता है फैमिली बहुत
কোথায়?
पूरा
হ্যাঁ ও example, kernel color of wheat, 2 genes ratio 1:4:6:4:1. Skin color of human contains 3 genes ratio 1:6:15:20:15:6:1. So 1 16 15 20 1 16 15 20 1 6 15 20 15 6 1 1:4:6 4:1 1:4:6:4:1. Example, kernel color of wheat. বলছে এমন করে পেস্টিসাইড দেবে ফলে যে ধান চাষে ওই পাকিস্তানি একজন লিখছে আমাকে। সালাম আলাইকুম উর্সিপু भाईजान कभी आओ पाकिस्तान। कर्नल कलर ऑफ व्हीट, तुमको हम बहुत अच्छे से पेश आएंगे उर्सिपू। आओ कभी पाकिस्तान और हमारे हत्थे चढ़ जा साले। लिखते रहे ओए पाकिस्तान। Kernel color of wheat. Example, পানি খাবো या मच्छी খাবো লিখেছে আবার। ওই বেঙ্গলকে ট্রোল করছে। তোর মাংস খাবো तेरा मीट खाएगा समझा, तुझे मार मार के काट काट के खाएगा। आ कभी हमारा हवेली पे दिखाऊंगा, बहुत कुछ महसूस कराऊंगा। आना कुत्ते साले।
কোথায় কোনো লাইভের মধ্যে ভাইরাল হতে চাইছিস লুকড়ানোর দিক দিয়ে
কাঁদছে এবার দেখেছিস, এরম চাপ না চাপ গেলে হয়। কান্নার ইমোজি হচ্ছে, চাপকে দিয়েছি একদম। নরম ভাববে আমাকে, সাজা যে জানা তাই বলে। আমাকে ইট শুনলে আমি নিউক্লিয়ার ওয়েপেন দিয়ে মারব। তোর মতো হব নাকি ভাই? দেখ 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 এবার কমেন্ট গুলো দেখ। कभी डॉल्फिन खाए हो? डॉल्फिन बहुत बार खाए हैं और तुझे भी हम खाना चाहते हैं। आओ ना कभी हवेली पे, आओ कभी हवेली पे। ए ए ए ए साला। अभी हम सब्सक्राइबर मोड करेंगे। नेशनल एक्वाटिक एनिमल है कुर्सीफू। तू अब निकल, तेरा टाइम हो गया। আমি এখন জানিস ভাই, ওই যাতে বেশি লোক চ্যাট না করে, হ্যাঁ দেখেছিস, সাবস্ক্রাইবার মোড 1 মিনিট ডিউরেশন করে দিয়েছি। হ্যাঁ, তাই একটা লোক আমায় বাজে কথা বলে গেল পলিজেনিক ইনহেরিটেন্সের দুটো এক্সাম্পলই কোশ্চেনে আসবে। স্কিন কালার অফ হিউম্যান কটা কন্ট্রোল করে রে? স্কিন কালার আমাদের তিনটে জিন। এই তিনটে জিনকে যদি তুই বদলে দিতে পারিস বা ম্যানিপুলেট করে, তুই ফর্সা বেবি যদি চাস, তাহলে এই তিনটে জিনকে ম্যানিপুলেট করতে হবে। একটা জিনকে ম্যানিপুলেট করা সম্ভব, তিনটে জিনকে ম্যানিপুলেট করা একটু টাফ। বলছে ওই জন্য যদি আমরা মডিফাইড বেবিও বানাতে গেলে বেরিয়ে পড়বে তিনটে জিন মডিফিকেশনও, কিন্তু এখন এই মুহূর্তে পসিবল অতটাও নয়। তোকে একদম সেই রুট লেভেলেই তাহলে তোকে ওই ফর্সা আর কি লোকের থেকে নিয়ে ডিএনএ নিয়ে ওই করতে হবে, বুঝলি? Genes and chromosomes are found in pairs in cells. सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन हो गया था, हम लोग ये पढ़ लिए थे। अब है म्यूटेशन। सडन inheritable change in an organism is called mutation. Mutation results in alternation of DNA sequence and consequently results in change in genotype and phenotype of an organism. Sudden inheritable change. What is mutation? A mutation is a sudden or permanent change in the DNA sequence of an organism. Mutation can occur naturally or be induced by external factors leading to variations in genetic information. They play a crucial role in evolution, genetic disorder and adaptation. Based on effect of DNA sequence, point mutation or change in single nucleotide. Example, sickle cell anemia caused by a single base change in beta globulin. Frame shift mutation, addition or deletion of nucleotides that shift the reading of frame. Example, Tay-Sachs disease. Substitution mutation, one nucleotide is replaced by another. Silent, misses and nonsense mutation. There are three types. Based on chromosomal changes, deletion, a part of chromosome is lost. Duplication, a segment is copied and inserted into chromosome. Based on cause, spontaneous mutation occurs naturally during DNA replication. Induced mutation caused by mutagens like radiations, UV, X-ray, or chemical benzene and asbestos. Oh, 3 types of mutation আছে. Effect on DNA sequence, sickle cell anemia based on chromosomal changes. আচ্ছা, পয়েন্ট মিউটেশন সিকল সেল অ্যানিমিয়া, যেখানে বিটা গ্লোবিউন জিন চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়। আর ফ্রেম শিফট হচ্ছে অ্যাডিশন আর ডিলিশন অফ নিউক্লিওটাইডস দ্যাট এই 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 ডাকছে মা। বলবে এখানে স্যার ঘুরছে। Oceanoscales, hi. Oceanoscales, hi. Study is going good. I am studying genetics. Topic is mutation for NEET. हाँ. ओके 1 मिनट में आता हूँ, 1 मिनट में। মিউটেশন করে দেবো। You are also a NEET aspirant. Okay, that's good. Best of luck. I am also studying Oceanoscales. What is point mutation? A change in a single nucleotide is known as point mutation. Okay. What is mutation? What is okay? NEET 2026. Okay, study. Thank you for commenting. Study and subscribe this channel. It will be help. My age is 19. না হ্যাঁ, এখানে তো পাখা লাগে না। বাই বাই, বেস্ট অফ লাক। She is my sister. She is my sister. Mutation, types of mutation: point mutation, frame shift mutation. She is not NEET aspirant. She is not NEET aspirant. She studies in class 12. For she will give JEE. Point mutation. Point mutation হচ্ছে okay, you are in class 11th, so you are now in 12th, you passed 11th. That's good, very good, congratulations, you passed your class 11. Now best of luck for your class 12. I hope you will get good marks in board and NEET also. You are Manya. Okay. Okay, Manya. Huh? You will what?
Thank you for your wholesome speech.
Yes. If I told you. So where are you from? Oceania Scales, Manya. Where are you from? Let me eat my curd.
Oi, oi, oi. Let me eat my God.
Noida. Okay, okay. I know Noida is in Uttar Pradesh near Delhi. It is very good place. I have I am always eager to visit Noida. Thank you.
फालतू होगा नोएडा
There is too hot place around 35 degrees Celsius. Okay. So 35 degrees Celsius, stay indoor, stay at home. Don't go outside unless it is very necessary. And yes, stay home. Don't go outside unnecessary because you have to take care of your health. कौस्तभ सिंह, और भाई कैसा है? आपका नाम मेरा नाम सेम है। मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? Okay, okay. Good, bro. কি করি সেটা? পাঁচজন। Some tips for junior. For junior, study your class 12 very well from the start. Don't waste it. And revise class 11 side by side. You have to decide that for class 12 for physics and chemistry, only one chapter per month. You have to revise from class 11 and continue class 12 study along. She is also studying. My sister is also studying. She is in another table. You wasted your class 11. Okay, no problem. Revise every physics and chemistry, every one chapter of physics and chemistry every month of class 11 and go with the flow of class 12. Okay, then follow them. PW. Follow them. Okay, now I am going back to study. Point mutation. What is point mutation? Point mutation, a change in a single nucleotide. A change in a single nucleotide. That is example sickle cell anemia. And frame shift mutation, addition or deletion of nucleotides that shifts the reading frame. Point mutation and frame shift mutation. Example, Tay-Sachs disease. Substitution mutation, one nucleotide is replaced by another. Okay, so these are the based on the effect of DNA sequence. Now based on chromosomal changes, deletion, a part of chromosome is lost. Duplication, segmented a segment is copied and inserted into the chromosome. Inversion, a segment is reversed within the chromosome. Translocation, a segment moves from one chromosome to another. Based on cause, spontaneous mutation occurs naturally during DNA replication. Induced mutation caused by mutagens like radiation, UV, X-ray or chemicals, benzene abscissos. Effect of beneficial mutation helps in adaptation and evolution, antibiotic resistance. Harmful causes genetic disorders, cystic fibrosis, cancer. And neutral mutation, no noticeable effect on phenotype. So these are the mutation, and we have observed that it is very vast thing. Example, a single letter in the DNA changes, like typo cat, which will the C will be changed to B, bat. Big changes like chromosomal mutation, a whole section of DNA is added, deleted or moved. Example like missing or repeating pages in a book. Causes of mutation, naturally mistaken when cells copy DNA. Mistakes when cell copy DNA by external factor, radiation like UV rays or chemicals like smoking. Good, some mutation helps organism to survive better. Example, bacteria becoming resistant to antibiotics, and bad, some causes disease, sickle cell anemia, cancer, and no effect, some mutation don't change anything. So this was the mutation topic. Oh, I have read all the points. So it is due to the single nucleotide. Chromosomal mutation, it is due to the structural and numerical chromosome structure change followed by deletion. A part of chromosome is lost, terminal part or from intercalary part. Deletion, example, deletion of segmented short arm fifth pair of chromosome in human causes cry-do-chat syndrome, cat cry syndrome in child. Fifth pair of chromosome, if lost, it is known as cat cry syndrome. Duplication, it occurs due to the addition of part of chromosome. Gene mutation, sudden stable change in the structure of a gene or cistron due to change in nucleotide sequence and nucleotide health type are called gene mutation. Most of the gene mutations include change in single nucleotide. They are called point mutation. Example, sickle cell anemia. Gene mutation can be caused by deletion, insertion, frame shift, or point mutation. Both direction and insertion can lead to phase shift. In this type, the entire reading frame of base Base sequence shift laterally either in the forward direction due to insertion of one or more nucleotide, and due to the or in the backward direction due to the deletion of one or more nucleotides. Deletion: one more nucleotides are eliminated from segment of DNA or gene. Insertion: addition of one or more nucleotides in the segmented of DNA or gene. Induced mutation, they are produced by application of external. Okay. So insertion, we have described it. Now genetic disorder, and it is the last topic. Pedigree analysis. Analysis of traits in several generations of a family is called pedigree analysis. Analysis of traits in several of generations of a family. Analysis of traits in several of generations of a family is called pedigree analysis. Male, female, sex unspecified, affected individuals, mating, okay, mating between relatives, consanguineous mating, parents above and children below in order to birth, left to right. Hi Daniel Jane, Dania Jan, hi. Mating between relatives. Parents with male child affected with disease. Parents with male child affected with disease, and 5 unaffected offspring. 5 unaffected offspring. Principle of inheritance. Okay. So male, female, sex unspecified. This is mating, and this is affected individuals. Mating between relatives. Consanguineous mating. Consan parents above children in order but too late. Parents with male child affected with disease. Prabhas Tiwari. I am studying genetics, that is class 12 biology chapter. Parents with male child, parents with male child affected with disease. Five unaffected offspring. Five unaffected. Prabha Tiwari, thank you for commenting. Please subscribe this channel. So, like this session. Thank you, Prabha Tiwari. 5 unaffected offspring. So parents above, children below. Parents with male child affected with disease. Mating between relatives, affected individual, mating. 5 symbols used in human pedigree analysis. Okay. So 40 minutes time over for genetics, and today we have done this much. Mutation and genetic disorder, and types of inheritance patterns is left. We will discuss this tomorrow. So let's revise one more time. That is, mutation, sudden inheritable change in an organism is called mutation. Mutation results in alternation of DNA sequences and consequently result in changes in the genotype and the phenotype of an organism. Types of mutation: chromosomal mutation or chromosomal aberration. It is due to the structural and numerical changes in chromosome structure changes of Okay, so gene mutation, sudden stable change, nucleotide sudden resistant to nucleotide sequence are called gene mutation. Most of the gene mutation include change in single nucleotide. These are called point mutation. Example: sickle cell anemia. The gene mutation can be caused by deletion, insertion, frame shift mutation. Both deletion and insertion can lead to frame shift mutation. In this type, the entire leading frame shift or base sequence shift laterally inwards forward direction or backward direction. Point mutation. Mutation arises due to change in the single base pair of DNA. Male, female, sex unspecified, unspecified. Okay. Types of inherited patterns. Ah, this is vast. Except that our genetics is 85% complete. Okay, now let's study different chapter. And it's now 4 p.m. We have completed our genetics part. Now we have to study physics, that is electrodynamics. I think so. Okay, now let's study some wave. Let's study I will study KTG for 40 minutes and I am ending this live session. Okay, how much time is the video of KTG? Two hours. Okay, first revise electrostats for 40 minutes, then we will move into this one. Okay, genetics is over. I am ending this live session. Okay.